Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Okay, welcome to this lesson of today, and today we are going to tackle a unit of competency on demonstrate digital literacy. So we're going to cover the introductory part of it, and that is computer hardware and software and the basic concepts of ICT. So the basic concept of ICT, it all encompasses all the technology, and that is the hardware, software and computer networks. And as we all know, we use this technology to collect, process, protect and store information. So one of the concepts that we are going to see is hardware, and basically these are the physical and tangible parts of a computer. Are we together? The second computer component that we're going to tackle is software, and these are the intangible parts of a computer. Then you have types of softwares. One is operating system, and this is the program which manages computer hardware, i.e. we have got the Linux, Windows, Mac OS and etc. So another system software is the application software, and these are the utility programs. These are all programs that users use to perform different tasks or for problem solving. And example that we have is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. Then another basic concept of computer is computer networks, and computer network is comprised of at least two computers connected by wire or wireless that can exchange data. So under the computer networks, we've got the types of networks, and one of them is LAN, that is local area network. This covers a relatively small geographical area, e.g. we have a university campus or office building, and it can be done maybe by the use of Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi. The second type of computer network that we have is WLAN, and that is the wireless local area network. So this network links two or more devices using wireless communication within a limited area, such as a campus or office building. The third type of network that we have is WAN, and that is wide area network. So it covers a relatively large geographical area, e.g. we have cities or states, and it can also connect a greater number of computers and local networks. So we have classification of computers. One, we have it can be classified according to the basis of size. The second one is on the basis of functionality, and the third classification of computers can be done according to the basis of data handling. So when we classify computers on the basis of size, we have computers such as the supercomputer, and we see that this is the highest performing computer system. It has a high level of performance compared to general purpose computers. Examples, we have the Param computer, Jaguar and the Road Runner. So the second type of computer, as we classify them on the basis of size, is mainframe computer. So it is commonly called the big I/O. These computers are used by big organizations for bulk data processing, such as statistics, sensors, data processing and transaction processing. E.g. we have IBM series, System 29 and etc. The third computer is mini computer, and these computers came into the market in the mid 1960s and were sold for a cheaper price than the mainframe. They are designed for control, instrumentation, human interaction and e.g. That is, for example, we have the laptops and the PCs. The fourth one is microcomputers. So it is small and relatively inexpensive with a microprocessor as its CPU. It includes a microprocessor, memory, and minimal input and output circuitry mounted on a single printed circuit board. The second classification of computers is done on the basis of functionality, and here we have the servers. So these are dedicated computers set up to offer some services to the client. That is, we have workstations. That is the second classification of computers based on functionality. So these computers are designed to primarily be used by a single user at a time. The third one is information appliances. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, so information appliances, and these are portable devices designed to perform a limited set of tasks, like we have the basic circulations, playing, multimedia, and etc. So the fifth one is embedded computers, and these are computing devices which are used in other machines to serve limited set of operations. The third classification of computers are done on the basis of data handling. So this is how the computer is able to handle your data, or to present your data the way you want it to be. And one of them is analog computers. So these are form of computers that uses the continuously changeable aspect of physical facts, such as electrical, mechanical quantities, to model the problem being solved. The second one, classification basis on data handling, we have the digital computers, and they perform circulations and logic operations with quantities represented as digits, usually the binary number system, i.e. we have the zeros and the ones. The third one is hybrid, and a hybrid computer is a computer that processes both analog and digital information. So it's a combination of the two that we've already learned. So in conclusion, we can say information communication technology, that is ICT, encompasses a wide range of technologies and tools that facilitate the creation, storage, processing, and communication of information, which includes the hardware, software, networks, and the internet. And on the basis of computers is a fundamental component of ICT. And as we said earlier, it can be classified according to size, functionality, and the basis of data handling. So on the basis of size, we had the supercomputers, mainframe computers, the servers, personal computers, that is the desktops and laptops, and mobile devices. So mobile devices can be our phones, as you all know. So each category serves specific roles in computing with varying capabilities and performance levels. So as we've categorized the computers, different computers perform different functionalities, maybe as we've classified them according to size, maybe on the basis of functionality and data handling. Then we can say ICT plays a pivotal role in our modern world by enabling the efficient handling of information and communication, while computers come in various types to fulfill diverse computing needs. So understanding these concepts is essential in navigating the digital landscape. So I think we've come to the end of our lesson, and before we conclude, is there anyone with a question? Class, are we together?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there anyone with a question?
Madam, I understood everything you have taught.
Okay, that is good, Vincent. Collins? Okay, Jeff?
Thank you for your presentation, madam.
Yeah?
But I'm asking to clarify between local area networks and wide area networks.
Okay, so we said local area networks. These are networks that is within a local geographical area. For example, on a campus, or let me say a university. So it covers a small area, while the wide area network, this is a network that covers huge, or let me say a large area, like for example a city, like for instance Nairobi. So you say it's big, it's large, so the network circulating around this area is wider in nature. Have you understood?
Yes, now
Okay, that's good. So thank you for your time. I wish you all a blessed evening. We've come to the end of our lesson today. Have a blessed evening, everyone.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank